Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? And I'm glad to have you guys back. So please guys, in today's video I want to just go ahead and share with us the steps that I went through to get my channel verified, okay, after being monetized, how long it took me, what I did to get it verified without a pin. Like seriously guys, my channel was verified without a pin. Have you heard that before? So please, if you want to know more about this story, keep watching and I'll be right back, okay? So guys, you are welcome back, and I will try as much as possible to make sure that this video is not too long. So please go ahead and sit and watch it to the end. I hope it's going to help someone out there. Equally share it if you find it informative and helping as well. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and stick with me. So guys, first and foremost, my channel is all about my faith, food, lifestyle, okay, and I titled it "and more," okay, which means it's all involved in life, anything that has to do with life. That is what my channel is all about. So I have shared a lot of tips and a lot of stories about this channel. If you want to know about them, please head to my description section and you will see about the links to my videos, okay? Try to watch them, then you understand where I am coming from. So my channel got monetized by August, okay, August in the year 2020, and I shared it also with you guys. So I want to share with us here, like you heard me say initially, that my channel was actually verified without a pin. Yes, you heard me very right. I was verified without a pin. So I'll be sharing with us the tips to get your channel verified. And from my own experience, first of all, before your channel will be verified, you have to get monetized. Monetization is the system whereby YouTube accepts you into their partnership, okay, to become one of their members in the partnership group. All right, so for you to get up this, you need up to 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours before you can be able to be qualified to get monetized. And you don't just get monetized, you have to apply for it. You can get all these requirements and you did not apply for it, you will not be monetized. So once you apply for it, YouTube will be verifying your channel to know if it is owned by a person or by a robot, okay? So they will go through all these things and equally know if you have not defaulted in any of their terms and conditions. If you are free with all these things, they will get your channel verified. Most people, it takes them 24 hours to be verified. Some people, it takes them less. Some people, days, weeks, months, okay, depending on what your channel is all about. So mine was verified within less than 24 hours, okay, from the day I applied, and the following morning I got a reply that I've been accepted. And once you are accepted into the YouTube partnership program, all you need to do is just go and turn on your monetization icon, which you see it somewhere around your YouTube studios. When you have turned all that, people will start seeing adverts running in your videos, okay? So, and when they are being run, it means that you'll be getting some little coins, okay, depending on how they are viewed. All right, so, and after that step, YouTube will now wait for you to get to what they call threshold, which means you have to get up to $10 before they will mail you what they call PIN, okay, personal identification number. That is what that PIN is all about, and it's coming from Google. So when you get to this $10, they will mail you your PIN. My channel actually get to this $10. I was monetized in August, and in September I got it, and September 12th, I received a write-up in the Google AdSense section that they have mailed my PIN to me on 12th September, that I should wait for 2 to 4 weeks for me to receive my PIN. Guys, I waited for a month, the pin did not arrive. So I had to reapply again. I click on the recent pin, and from the first day I applied it, that was from September, I gave them October and November. I did not see my pin. I reapplied on the 4th of November, and November passed. I did not still receive it. I entered December. I did not still receive it. On December 3rd, I had to reapply again for the 3rd time, and during the time I was reapplying this, I was making inquiries, asking people that has received theirs before me to know how long it took them for them to get their pin. And most of the people that got their pin, I was actually monetized before them, okay? And many of them, we applied for this pin at the same time. So during this time, I was going through my Google AdSense section to make sure that everything is put in place. Like, I keep on editing in order to make sure that they are all well written and my dress is well written. Same time, I've been receiving letters, receiving my orders from online. So why won't this one come now? So I was just, when you are expecting something and it's not forthcoming, you'll be tense up. So at this point, at this moment, I was so tense up, and I was asking people, all my efforts trying to gather information about how I can be able to get it in. They were all aborted. People that I asked had no idea, had no experience about it, because their own came so fast. And I'm like, what wrong did I do to write it that mine wasn't forthcoming? So I was just going through my address on and not changing name, checking the number of my house and everything, and it was all good. So that was when I started going to their community site, okay, trying to ask questions to people. I left countless questions there and nobody was able to reply me, and I was seeing people's reply in that place and trying to figure out what could be the reason why my own is not forthcoming. To God be the glory. I went through the help section, like I'll be showing us here how I went through it. I went through the help section where they wrote contact us. I clicked on contact us, and through that process, they will take you to know what your problem is. You will get to select what you really want to talk to them about. So I selected a problem with AdSense pin, and I saw two options there, which is a chat and email. If you want to communicate YouTube through email or through chat, they are all there. And me, being that I wanted it so fast, I was so tired of waiting. After 3 months, I've not received my pin. Check it from August, September, October, November, December until January. It's almost 5 months, guys, that I didn't see my pin, and my pay was just there waiting for me. And I'm like, when will this pay get to my hand? So on a very good day, during December, I chatted them through the helpline, okay, through the YouTube support line, okay, and to God be the glory, they were so polite, they were so calm, they are so friendly. This person helped me, we chatted, and he or she told me that they just saw that I reapplied, that I have to wait for it to get up to the expected time, that if I did not receive it, that I should reapply again until when I get to the point that I've exhausted my options. So, and being that I don't like wasting time, I had to, after 2 weeks of after 1 month of applying for the 3rd time, okay, I now have to reach them again. They went through my channel, I sent them my URL, they checked my channel, and everything was in place. They told me to wait, and I waited, and after 2 weeks I had to contact them again. In fact, contacting them. I was so lucky that each time I go online to reach them, someone will always be there to answer me. Okay, I chatted with the YouTube support team, okay, one-on-one, and I complained to them. They went through my channel, tried to find out what the problem is, and they asked me some questions which I answered. So they told me that I should be calm, that they will rectify whatever being the problem. I said okay, and the person told me that I will be receiving a message from the YouTube community that I should follow the process that they will send to me. And I received the message, and in my email they told me to click on the form to fill up a form that they sent to me. So I clicked on that form. I felt, and to God be the glory, I've already gone to my post office to gather what I needed from it. So I immediately filled in the form, and immediately, guys, it didn't take up to 5 minutes after filling the form, they sent me a message that my channel has been verified. Like, seriously, guys, I was like, what? So quickly. Mind you, during the processes of me trying to get this pin, they already sent me a message in my Google AdSense section that I have less than a month to verify my account. At this point, I was so afraid of losing my channel, okay, of losing my account. So when I told one of the supporters team that look at what you guys sent to me, he said that he was going to communicate with the team to reduce the short time they gave to me. And true that day they reduced the short time. I wasn't seeing anything like you have less than 1 month. I didn't see anything like that anymore. So to God be the glory, that night my channel was verified. After I submitted that form, they verified it, and they told me that I don't have any issues again, and I was told to check my account to know if they have sent me the first cent. They usually do cent. So I checked it, and it was seated balanced. It was seated majestically in my account, and I had to write them back how much I saw they put there, and they said okay, I'm good to go. I have been discharged, I have been acquainted, I don't have any issue again with my Google pin. I want to say to God be the glory. So guys, that was my journey. That was how it all started and how it all ended. 5 good months my pin did not arrive, and at the end of the day, God helped me. In January, first week of January, that was when the pin was verified. Okay, so that was how my channel was verified without any pin sent to me. All right, so I hope this helps someone out there. And immediately they sent me a message when I'll be receiving my pay that have been seated in their account. So it is now time for them to release it to me, and I'm so happy to be sharing this thing for you. And hopefully my own check will be arriving into my account, direct into my account. The girl is so happy and grateful to God who made it possible. Like, this channel has been a challenge for me, and I thank God that I did not give up during the process of this thing. I was about giving up, okay, but I thank God today I am a winner. We are the winner. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for always watching, and please keep watching the advert that pumps out in every of my video, and please don't skip. If you skip it though, your girl will not be having any sense, like nothing like that. So thank you for watching, and please go ahead and share this video. God bless you, and I'll see you next time in my next video.